Imagine waking up one day and not remembering the names of your loved ones or the special memories you've made over the years. Scary, isn't it? Alzheimer's disease already affects over 50 million people worldwide, and experts warn this number could triple by 2050. But here's the good news. Your kitchen may hold powerful natural remedies that can help protect your brain, boost your memory, and reduce your risk of dementia starting today. Stay with us because what you're about to learn could change. At Health Fox, we uncover powerful natural ways to support your health, and today we're diving deep into how ordinary spices can help keep your mind sharp, your memory clear, and your brain younger for longer. Nature has always held answers, and sometimes the simplest things like the spices in your cupboard can offer the biggest benefits. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore these surprising brain-boosting spices together. Cinnamon, the sweet memory booster spice. Cinnamon isn't just a spice that adds a sweet, warm aroma to your dishes. It's a powerful brain protector. Loaded with antioxidants like cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols, cinnamon helps combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. It enhances neuroplasticity and can even reduce the buildup of tau protein tangles, a key marker of Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that individuals who consume cinnamon regularly may experience improvements in attention, working memory, and overall cognitive. You can easily sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal, blend it into smoothies, stir it into your coffee, or add it to baked goods for a warm, comforting touch. In savory dishes like stews and roasted meats, cinnamon adds depth while supporting cognitive health. It's a delicious way to naturally protect your mind. Turmeric, the golden brain health elixir. Famous for its vibrant golden color, turmeric has been celebrated for thousands of years as a natural healer. Its active compound, curcumin, crosses the blood-brain barrier to directly target brain cells. It reduces inflammation, combats oxidative stress, and clears harmful amyloid plaques associated with Alzheimer's disease. Combined with black pepper, which enhances curcumin's absorption, you unlock its full brain protective potential. Incorporating turmeric into your diet isn't just about adding it to curries. Try blending it into smoothies, tossing it with roasted vegetables, or stirring it into soups. For a soothing bedtime drink, whisk turmeric with warm milk, a dash of cinnamon, a pinch of black pepper, and a spoon of honey for a golden milk elixir. Black pepper, the absorption booster and mood enhancer. Often overlooked, black pepper is a silent brain booster. Its active compound, piperine, enhances neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, essential for mood, cognition, and stress relief. It amplifies the absorption of other nutrients, most notably curcumin, and delivers powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to protect brain cells and support long-term cognitive health. Sprinkle it over salads, scrambled eggs, soups, or cooked dishes to elevate both flavor and brain performance. Even a pinch of freshly cracked black pepper in your smoothies can subtly lift your mood and cognitive sharpness. Rosemary, the natural memory enhancer. Herb. More than a kitchen herb, rosemary is packed with carnosic acid, a potent antioxidant known for protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. Studies reveal that even inhaling rosemary's scent can enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity. This aromatic herb has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat headaches, reduce fatigue, and improve concentration. Brew it as tea, infuse olive oil with rosemary for dressings, or sprinkle it over roasted potatoes, meats, and vegetables. You can even use rosemary essential oil in a diffuser while you work for a natural mental edge. Nutmeg, the stress-calming memory spice. Nutmeg's warm, nutty flavor conceals powerful neuroprotective agents like myristicin and mesylinin. These compounds combat oxidative stress, protect neurons, and improve cognitive function. Nutmeg also reduces anxiety and promotes calmness, both vital for optimal brain health. Emerging studies suggest that moderate nutmeg intake may improve memory retention, reduce mental fatigue, and support overall emotional stability. Add a pinch of freshly grated nutmeg to your coffee, warm milk, or oatmeal. It pairs beautifully with baked desserts and savory winter dishes like creamy soups and casseroles. Holy basil, the stress-reducing brain protector, holy basil or tulsi, is a revered adaptogen that helps your body manage stress, a major factor in cognitive decline. Rich in eugenol, rosmarinic acid, and apigenin, holy basil fights inflammation, enhances memory, and promotes neurotransmitter balance. Regular consumption is linked to improved focus, resilience against anxiety, and better overall mental clarity. Steep, fresh, or dried holy basil leaves in hot water for a calming tea. Add it fresh to salads, soups, and herbal tonics. Supplements and tinctures are also available for those seeking a more concentrated dose of this powerful herb. Cloves, the potent antioxidant spice for brain health. Cloves' bold, spicy flavor comes with equally bold health benefits. Rich in eugenol, cloves possess strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that protect brain cells and reduce oxidative stress. Regular intake supports memory, cognitive sharpness, and neuronal longevity. Cloves also provide essential nutrients like manganese and vitamin K, known to enhance overall brain function. Sprinkle ground cloves into baked goods, tea, or savory dishes like stews and curries. A pinch of ground cloves in your coffee or hot chocolate adds warmth while supporting cognitive resilience. Saffron, the mood-lifting memory tonic. This luxurious spice isn't just a culinary gem, it's a clinically proven cognitive enhancer. Rich in crocin and safranal, saffron boosts neurotransmitter levels, improves mood, sharpens memory, and helps fight cognitive decline. Several clinical trials have shown saffron's positive effects on mild to moderate Alzheimer's symptoms, making it a valuable addition to any brain health regimen. Add a few strands to tea, warm milk, rice dishes, or desserts. Its distinct color, aroma, and health benefits make saffron a worthwhile, luxurious investment for your kitchen. Sage, the clarity-boosting brain herb. Sage isn't just for season and holiday roasts. It's a memory-enhancing powerhouse. This herb improves memory retention, protects against age-related cognitive decline, and boosts acetylcholine levels, a neurotransmitter essential for memory formation. Sage also contains flavonoids and essential oils with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Brew sage tea, mix fresh leaves into roasted vegetables, or use it to flavor eggs and meats for a daily dose of natural cognitive support. Cardamom, the aromatic brain tonic. Rich in cineol and limonene, cardamom reduces brain inflammation, enhances mood, and improves blood circulation to oxygenate brain cells. In Ayurvedic medicine, cardamom has long been used to combat mental fatigue, stress, and depression. Add it to tea, coffee, smoothies, or desserts for a flavorful, brain-boosting touch. its unique aromatic flavor blends beautifully with both sweet and savory dishes. Star anise, the sweet licorice-like neuroprotective spice. Star anise, known for its unique star shape and licorice-like taste, contains shikimic acid, a powerful compound recognized for its antiviral, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Emerging research highlights its ability to combat neuroinflammation and oxidative stress, key contributors to cognitive decline. Add star anise to teas, soups, broths, or slow-cooked dishes to enjoy its warming, aromatic flavor and brain-supportive benefits. Fennel seeds, the digestive and cognitive support spice. Fennel seeds, often overlooked, are packed with flavonoids and essential oils like anethol. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, improve cognitive function, and enhance overall digestion, both of which play key roles in maintaining brain health. Fennel has traditionally been used to ease anxiety, promote relaxation, and support mental clarity. Chew a few seeds after meals, brew them into a calming tea, or incorporate them into baking and cooking for natural cognitive support. Now that you know these incredible spices and how they can sharpen your memory, reduce dementia risk, and elevate your mood, it's time to act. Start incorporating these into your meals and daily routine. Remember, small, consistent habits can lead to powerful, long-lasting benefits for your brain health. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Health Fox for more natural health tips, memory-boosting remedies, and Alzheimer's prevention advice. Share this video with a friend or family member who could use a brain boost too. And be sure to check the video description for simple, spice-based recipes, wellness ideas, and cognitive health tips to support your brain starting today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.